Real food. Real science. Real fun. Bake itty-bitty pies, cupcakes, pastries, and pizzas using teeny tiny tools and pans. Learn why cakes rise, eggs get solid, and cookies smell delicious. Baking set fits into an 5.2 by 3.4 by 2.2 inch tin to easily take to grandma's house or a sleepover. 17-piece tiny baking set includes storage tin with top, rolling pin, wee knife, pizza, dough cutter, mixing spoon, 3 wee spoons, mixing bowl, pizza, pie pan, pie server, sheet pan, silicone cake cupcake molds, 2 silicone finger mitts, 48-page recipe book. Recipes require household ingredients not included in this kit. 48-page recipe book explains the science behind the yum. Tried and true recipes include explanations of how food chemistry works, like how the acid and base in baking powder start a reaction when liquid is added, producing gas bubbles to cause the batter to rise. 20 enormously delicious recipes: easy teeny frittata, vanilla cupcakes, double-decker chocolate cake, buttercream frosting, chocolate chip cookies, lattice crust fruit pie, bits o' bacon quiche, deep dish pizza, silly little monkey bread pie, and more. Perfect for budding food scientists 8+ years. Top reviews from the United States. This was a hit. Gave this to my sister for Christmas and she immediately used it to make mini treats with the kids. They love it. I just kept getting texts and pictures from them about how functional and fun it is.